Dani Loren here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you for rocking with me, holding in there. I am on a new wellness journey. So I wanted to tell y'all that and invite y'all to be a part of this ride and this journey, okay? I'm gonna be trying out new products, new foods, new exercises, all the things, because I've realized I've just been neglecting myself. This whole 2020, I have been neglecting my well-being, all of the things. So I kind of want to backtrack and take some time to focus on me so I can give more to other people. I asked God, I was like, God, show me how I can love other people. And one of the things was to love on myself. So I'm trying to fill up my cup so that I can give so much more to others. And so join me on this journey. I love myself. I'm just learning how to love on myself. If you feel me on that, write something in the comments, because I just realized, I'm like, yeah, I love myself, but I haven't been taking care of myself. So I really want to take care of myself and my well-being. I mean, I only got one life, one body, you know, so I really want to take better care of it so I can be healthy for other people. I can give more to other people and I can show up fully. That's a big thing for me right now in this season is I just want to show up fully. And even if I'm tired, I still want to be able to like, hey, I'm tired, I'm here, and I'm going to be present in the moment. Okay, so anyway, I'm not going to get into all of my journey and what I'm working on, but I'm excited to say that I got a package in the mail. Yes, I still get excited about packages. I don't know about you, but when a big box comes to my doorstep and it has my name on it, I'm excited. So I got a package from this brand that I have been eyeing on Instagram, okay? I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. It's a skincare company. Everything is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, no chemicals, no toxins, none of that stuff. Clean, clean, clean. It's by two amazing Black women, and go to their Instagram page. I'm gonna tell you the name in just a second, but you're just gonna see all of the glowingness. Yes, I made that up. All of the glowingness and shining light that is happening on this Instagram page. And they've caught my eye. I was like, okay, I wanna know more with what they're about. And I was just gifted a package from them. So I wanna share this with y'all, okay? Okay, so let me open this up and I'll do a full unboxing, let you know how I feel, what I think, because I have been excited to get my hands on this. And the brand is called Magick. Yes, ooh, I kind of like that, Magick. It's like, what's in here, darling? What's in here? Is it magic for the skin, darling? All right, Magick. Let's see what it says. Natural, honest, vegan, cruelty-free. Told y'all that. You can follow them at Magick. Okay, let's see what they got for us. Let's see. Oh, look at these beautiful Black women on the cover. And this is me just opening it. So you're gonna see everything. Everything when I see it. Okay. Oh, look at this cute thank you card. These are the two owners and they are gorgeous. Look at them. And it has a note on the back. It says, we take beauty with intention to heart and we're so happy to be a part of your wellness journey. Y'all speaking my language, okay? Thank you, it's so cute and it's signed. Ugh. I love personal touches. It's just something about when someone writes to you when they don't have to. It's something about that to me. It's just, I still love that stuff. Okay. Ooh, hunty, 3 products, hunty. Okay. So let's go in order here. Let's see. Cleanser. We're gonna take this one at a time. Okay, Magick Healing Cleanser, Moon Water. I love that. Moon Water. Look at all this stuff. Organic lavender, peptides. Yes, honey, peptides help with the wrinkles. We love it. Amino acids, hyaluronic acid, moisturizing for the skin. Okay, let's try this. Okay. I want to make sure y'all see oh, it's in a glass bottle. Come on, come through. Come through, glass bottle, no plastic. It's just something when something's in a glass bottle, it just makes me a little bit happier inside. Okay, and it's heavy. It's like, whoa. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this. I'm gonna tell y'all how it is. Let's see. I'll try it on my hand first. Give it a few pumps. Oh, that's pretty. I don't see that. Just a cleanser. Let's try this. Okay, so wash my face. Get my face wet, okay? Don't judge how I wash my face. I want y'all to see this, okay? You know what? I like it. It feels smooth. It's not too thick either. I hate when things are like too thick and too foamy. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I hate when things are too foamy because I have really dry skin. So I know if it's foaming up a lot, it's just gonna take all the moisture out of my skin. And it's, I think it has like a natural smell, but this must be the lavender. Cause I'm like, it's soft, but it smells really good. Okay, let me wash. 1 second. Okay. Okay. Let me dry my hands because I want to see how my skin feels with just the cleanser. So you go ahead and do a little pat pat. See what you did for me. See? Oh, come on. Come on with the moisturizing. Come on. Yeah, this is it for me. And I have sensitive skin, so I'm here for this. Can y'all, is there a glow, hunty? Is there a glow? Is there a glow? Can you see the magic? Honey, can you see it? Okay, let's see. Okay, so I already love the cleanser. So let's see what's next. Let's do, which one do you do next? Do you do moisturizer or oil? I don't know. But we're gonna go with, okay, so normally in my skincare routine, I'll do a serum before my moisturizer. But this is oil, so it's a little trickier. So I'm gonna do oil last. We're gonna do moisturizer. Okay, so ultra rich moisturizer, glow worthy. Honey, let me glow. Okay, can y'all see that? I guess I should show y'all fully. Okay, so glow worthy. Let's try this. Gold top, y'all. It's look how pretty this is. That is beautiful, honey. It screams luxurious. And that's how you want to feel when you're putting something on. You want to feel luxurious. Okay, so let me take the little top off, protective cap. Whew, okay, all right now. I can't put everything on my skin, but I trust it because it's cruelty free, it's vegan, I mean all the good stuff. So let's give it a go. Let's see. Put this down. Get some for this forehead, honey. Ain't forget about the forehead. I like it. It's rich, it's creamy. It feels good. I feel like my hands are getting moisturized too. Yeah. Let me see. Come in so y'all can see what's happening here. Let me grab a mirror so I can see too. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, feels good. This feels good. And I feel good about this. Why? Because it doesn't have any toxins in it. Thank you. Thank you. And my skin feels good. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel sticky. How does it look? How does my skin look, y'all? Let me know. No makeup. Hello. Fresh face. Okay. This feels good. I love it. Ladies, y'all did good with this. Okay. Man, okay. All right. Okay, so now we have earth oil. I love it. Oh, and it has CBD. Come on, relax my face. Please relax it. Okay, let's see. Earth oil. Oh, I should have looked at the instructions. Earth oil can be incorporated into your skincare rituals in many ways to promote healthy, balanced skin. Balance out the pHs on my skin. I love it. Use 2 to 3 drops. Oh, it says drops in your facial moisturizer. Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad I did that part first. Maybe, you know what? I'll do just a little bit of this. The moisturizer. Put it here. Right? Work with me, work with me. Work with me. Oh, come on. Can y'all see that? Give me a dropper, a gold top. Ooh, protective seal. Okay, let me take this off. Boop, boop. See, that's how y'all know. Trying it for the first time. Okay, a little drop Magic. Let's see here. Look at that. Ooh, I might have did more than 2 because I'm greedy. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this in like that. See, I didn't know I had to mix. I should have read the instructions. All right, and then we're gonna try this out. Okay. Okay, let's see. I mean, I'm gonna let y'all be the judge and tell me how my skin looks, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it feels good. It does. It's not heavy. It doesn't have any crazy fragrances or anything like that, because fragrances break me out. I'm telling y'all, my skin is like so sensitive. Like, if my skin didn't like this, you would see it instantly. Like, my whole face will be red. There's so many products I cannot use, and I'm so cautious on what products I do use. And this is making me happy. This is making me happy. Oh, yes, ladies. Honey, get into this. But do you see the shine? Do you see the glow? I have to look over to the side because I got to see it for myself. It feels so good. It's not heavy. It's light. I did a full skincare routine right here. Ladies, nail on the head. I love this product. Rubbing a little extra on your hands feels great. Myth Magic. This is the magic, ladies. This is it right here. Oh my goodness. Okay. mythmagic.com. Follow them on Facebook, Instagram. Oh, they did it. They did it with this. Oh, I love it. Okay. So, welcome to the journey. I appreciate y'all being here. There's going to be more to come, but as of Myth Magic, y'all did that. Yeah, I love these products. And y'all, one more time. One more time, just in case, you know, hit all the angles. Oh, look at that. Look at that cheekbone. You see that? Pop, pop. Oh, it feels so good. And this makes me so happy. There's just so... Everybody that has sensitive skin, you understand the pain, okay? There's nothing about getting excited about a product and then your face is tingling or it hurts or... This just feels so good. I just can't even talk to y'all right now. This is good. Oh, your face feels tight or something like that. Oh, this, love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, y'all, that is my unboxing video of Myth Magic. I will leave everything in the comments. If you have a brand that you love, leave it in the comments. I'm on this journey. I want to just learn more. This is an area in my life that I have neglected for a very, very long time. So, ladies, help a sister out. Myth Magic, y'all did that. And try this out. Like, if you have sensitive skin, hopefully this video was helpful for you. Try it out. I'm not even kidding. Like, I can't even stop touching my skin. That's not good. Don't keep touching your skin, but it feels so good. It's just like you want to touch it. You want to touch it. All right, y'all. Have a good one. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm going to be trying out a lot of new things, and come on this journey with me. If you care about your wellness, join me as I figure out how to take better care of myself. What works, what doesn't work. you know, and trying this whole new wellness journey so we can give more to each other. All right, love y'all. Thank you so much for rocking with me, and I'll see you on the next video.